how do you incentivize some of these private companies to come to the table? Because obviously this is, in some ways, you want to help society, but some of these private companies are obviously driven not just by that alone. I mean, this may be a whole nother talk in itself, but
well, I think there's a combination of I think some entities have recognized for their own business interests, aligning to this work is really important, right? Because a virus just really upended our economy as well
yeah,
as our lives. And so people are like, oof, maybe I should be thinking about this. But the other reality is, we have money. And so I do want to say so many companies and partners have been very, I don't know if charity is the right word, but aligned to public
yeah,
good. I want to say that. But they're also businesses that are meant to make money, and we recognize that. And so we come with resources when we can, but then I have to convince Congress and others that those are resources well spent.
yeah.
And we need to hold private companies accountable. So if you're going to get taxpayer resources, like anything, we want to make sure that those are delivering back to the American people.